Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Curator's Corner. Today, February 19th, 2022, we remember the 80th anniversary of Executive Order 9066. It is believed that 120,000 people were at the Santa Anita Japanese Assembly Center before going to internment camps around the country. The Gilb Museum collects different items from this event in history, such as pins, photographs, and letters. And we also even have some artwork that was done by internees here at the museum. Today, we have our special guest, Michele, who will be talking more about her project during summer of 2021.
Hello, my name is Michele Huizar. I was the Getty Marrow undergraduate multicultural curatorial and collections intern here at the Gilb Museum last summer of 2021. During my time here at the museum, I was given a special project to create the Santa Anita Japanese Assembly Center kiosk for the permanent exhibition here at the museum. The goal of the kiosk was to expand more on the history of the Santa Anita Japanese Assembly Center in the museum's permanent exhibition space. The process of creating this kiosk took a couple of steps. I had to become familiar with the history of Executive Order 9066 and the Santa Anita Japanese Assembly Center located here at Santa Anita Park in Arcadia during World War II. I also had to learn how to create a timeline utilizing the kiosk software Lightbox 3. The curator and I had many meetings together where we discussed what we should feature in the kiosk. Some of the challenges we faced while creating this kiosk were trying to find and source primary documents and photographs that could be implemented into the kiosk, having to learn how to use the kiosk software Lightbox 3, and trying to make the kiosk as easily accessible for all visitors to use. We hope you can visit the museum to see this project in person and learn more about the Santa Anita Japanese Assembly Center.
Thanks once again for joining us for this special episode of the Curator's Corner. We hope to see you next time. Bye!